ABBA Film News. ABBA Universal Film Industries. ABBA Universal Film Production. Film Industries Specific Regional Hollywood English Bollywood Hindi Bollywood Marathi Kollywood Tamil Tollywood Telugu Tollywood Bengali Sandalwood Kannada Mollywood Malayalam Pollywood Punjab Dholly Wood Gujarati Rajji Wood Rajasthan China Wood China Lollywood Lahore Dhally Wood Dhaka Nolly Wood Nigerian Follywood Sri Lanka Bhoji Wood Bhojpuri Jollywood Assamese Ollywood Odia Hallyu Wood South Korea Gholly Wood Ghana River Wood Kenya Uga Wood Uganda. The Hollywood film industry refers to the American film industry that originated and developed in the Hollywood neighborhood of Los Angeles, California. It is the oldest and one of the most influential film industries globally, known as the birthplace of major film studios such as Disney, Paramount, Warner Bros., and Universal Pictures. Hollywood came to symbolize the American movie and entertainment industry as it evolved from the early 20th century, capitalizing on favorable geographic and climatic conditions and escaping patent restrictions prevalent on the East Coast. It established the studio system, created iconic film genres and stars, and shaped global cinema culture over more than a century. Hollywood is both a physical place within Los Angeles and a metonym for the U.S. motion picture industry, which dominates global film production and distribution. It has been central to the development of classical filmmaking styles, popular genres, and the star system, and continues as a major cultural and economic force in entertainment worldwide. In summary, Hollywood film industry means the cluster of American film studios and productions historically centered in Hollywood, Los Angeles, synonymous with American cinema and a global entertainment powerhouse. The Bollywood is the informal name for India's Hindi language film industry, centered in Mumbai, formerly Bombay. The Bollywood production hub refers specifically to films made primarily in Hindi and produced in and around the world in Mumbai, not all Indian films. The Bollywood is high output. It is one of the largest film industries in the world by number of films produced and tickets sold. Commercial style, historically known for mainstream, star-driven entertainers that combine drama, romance, music, and dance, though recent years have seen more genre variety and experimental storytelling. The Bollywood features films, song and dance, elaborate musical numbers integrated into narrative remain a signature element. Star system, big-name actors and directors strongly influence box office performance and marketing. Awards and festivals, Bollywood films are celebrated through national awards, Filmfare, National Film Awards, and international festivals and events. Relationship to Indian cinema. Part of a larger whole, Bollywood is one segment of India's film ecosystem, which also includes major regional industries, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, Marathi, etc. Distinct identity. Each regional industry has its own language, stars, and production centers. Bollywood specifically denotes Hindi language mainstream cinema. Short historical note. Origins. Modern Hindi cinema traces back to the early 20th century, silent era, and grew into a centralized industry in Mumbai. The Bollywood Marathi film usually refers to a Marathi language movie that either involves Bollywood, the Hindi film industry, people, or that has been remade or adapted by Bollywood. It can also mean a Marathi film produced with Bollywood backing or promoted to a pan-India, Hindi audience. The Marathi language film, at its core, a Marathi film is a movie made in the Marathi language for the Marathi-speaking market, primarily Maharashtra. The Bollywood remake adaptation. Many successful Marathi films have been adapted into Hindi, Bollywood films. Examples include Sairat Right Pointing Arrow, Dhadak and Poster Boys Right Pointing Arrow, Poster Boys. So people sometimes call those Hindi remakes Bollywood versions of Marathi films. The Bollywood involvement in Marathi cinema. Bollywood actors, producers and studios increasingly finance, produce, or promote Marathi films, e.g., larger banners or star producers backing Marathi projects, which blurs the line and leads to the label Bollywood Marathi for such collaborations. The cross-industry influence, themes, scripts, technicians and songs often flow between Marathi cinema and Bollywood. Both industries borrow stories, talent, and marketing strategies. The story pipeline. Marathi cinema is a strong source of original scripts and proven concepts that Bollywood frequently adapts, so scouting Marathi releases can find material for remakes or co-productions. The co-productions and distribution. Bollywood backing can bring wider distribution and bigger budgets to Marathi films, but can also change creative choices to suit a pan-Indian audience. Talent and crew opportunities. Collaboration creates openings for technicians and actors to move between Marathi and Hindi films, useful if you are building a production network. Example, illustration. Sairat, a Marathi box office phenomenon that was remade in Hindi as Dhadak, illustrating the direct remake pipeline from Marathi to Bollywood.
The Kollywood is the informal name for the Tamil film industry, mainly based in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, especially around the Kodambakkam area. The name blends Kodambakkam and Hollywood, similar to how Bollywood was formed. In simple terms, when people say Kollywood Tamil film, they usually mean Tamil language movies made by that industry. It is one of the major film industries in India and is known for strong storytelling, music, action, and socially aware films. Keen Tamil movie production. The main roles usually fall into creative, technical, and production departments. The most important core roles are the producer, director, writer, cinematographer, editor, art director, music composer, and production manager coordinator. Creative roles. Producer raises money, hires key people, and oversees the project. Director leads the film's overall creative vision and directs performances. Writer, screenwriter, develops the story, scenes, and dialogue. Music composer creates the film score and songs, which are especially important in Tamil cinema. Editor shapes the final film in post-production. Camera and visual roles. Cinematographer handles camera work, lighting style, and visual mood. Camera team. Camera operator and assistants support the shot setup and filming. Art director, production designer, builds the look of sets, props, and locations. Production and set roles. Production manager keeps the shoot on time and on budget. Production coordinator manages paperwork, schedules, and communication. First assistant director organizes the shoot day and keeps production running safely and efficiently. Second assistant director helps coordinate cast, extras, and logistics. Location manager finds and secures filming locations. On-camera roles. Lead actors, supporting actors, extras, background artists. The Tamil cinema also has a strong value chain around producer, distributor, and exhibitor, so those roles matter beyond the shoot itself. A practical way to think of it is, the producer funds it, the director shapes it, the technical crew captures it, and the post team finishes it. Responsibilities of a Tamil cinema music composer versus lyricist. In Tamil cinema, the music composer creates the tune, arrangement, orchestration, and overall sonic feel of the song, while the lyricist writes the words and shapes the song's meaning and message. In practice, The composer handles the musical structure and recording side decisions, and the lyricist handles the language, mood, and storytelling in the lyrics. Music composer composes the melody and musical progression, decides instrumentation, arrangement, and orchestration, works with singers, recording musicians, and the director to fit the film's emotional tone. Often helps adapt the song to a scene, situation, or character moment. Lyricist writes the song's lyrics in Tamil or another language used in the film. Shapes the emotional message, imagery, and dialogue-like feel of the song. Works closely with the composer so words fit the melody and rhythm. Makes sure the lyrics suit the film's scene, character, and audience impact. Simple distinction. A composer asks, what should the song sound like? While a lyricist asks, what should the song say? Many Tamil film songs are strongest when both roles collaborate tightly, because the tune and words must match naturally. Tamil cinema context. Tamil cinema gives both roles a lot of weight because songs are often central to storytelling, promotion, and audience memory. Royalties and credit sharing have also become important topics for both composers and lyricists in the Tamil industry.
The Sandalwood is the informal name for the Kannada language film industry based in Karnataka, India. It produces feature films in Kannada and is one of India's regional cinema centers. Overview in history. Kannada cinema began in the early 20th century, with the first Kannada talkie released in 1934. The industry grew around Bengaluru and other Karnataka cities over decades. Sandalwood has produced a mix of commercial star-driven films, parallel, art films, and recent pan-Indian hits that raised its national profile. Scale and output. The industry typically releases dozens to over 100 films per year and is supported by studios, production houses, distributors, and a local film chamber. In recent years, some Kannada films achieved wide national and international success, increasing investment and cross-industry collaborations. Cultural and economic context. The name, Sandalwood, is a regional coinage, akin to Bollywood, Tollywood, referencing Karnataka's association with sandalwood as a cultural and natural product. Sandalwood reflects regional language, culture, and stories while increasingly aiming for broader, pan-India, global audiences. Notable developments and examples. The industry has produced influential filmmakers and stars and recently saw breakout commercial successes that brought national attention. Parallel streams, new wave cinema, and mainstream star cinema coexist, with growing experimentation in genres and production scale. Sandalwood is generally smaller than Bollywood in scale, but it has become far more visible in recent years thanks to breakout hits like KGF and Kantara. Kollywood is usually seen as more established than Sandalwood in volume, infrastructure, and long-running star power, though Sandalwood has been punching above its weight creatively and commercially. Core differences. Bollywood is Hindi cinema, centered in Mumbai, and has the widest all-India and global commercial reach among the three. Kollywood is Tamil cinema, based in Chennai, and is known for a strong production base, star-driven films, and a long history of commercial and critical success. The Sandalwood is Kannada cinema, based in Karnataka, and is smaller in scale but increasingly influential after major pan-India successes. Scale and reach. Bollywood usually has the broadest audience because Hindi is widely understood across India, which helps with distribution and box office reach. The Kollywood has a very strong regional market and also exports many films to other languages through dubbing, remakes, and streaming. The Sandalwood traditionally had a narrower market, but recent blockbusters have expanded its audience much more than before. The strengths by industry. Bollywood, biggest mainstream marketing power, celebrity visibility, and nationwide distribution. Kollywood, strong storytelling traditions, technical strength, and a deep star system. Sandalwood, strong rise in mass action cinema, rooted local storytelling, and fresh creative recognition. Production and reputation. Kollywood and Bollywood are often viewed as having larger production ecosystems, more frequent big-budget releases, and bigger industry infrastructure. Sandalwood has fewer resources in comparison, but it has gained respect because films from Karnataka are now competing at a much larger scale. The Bollywood has the widest reach, Kollywood has a very strong balance of scale and craft, and Sandalwood is the fastest rising of the three in recent years. Simple example, if a film is meant for the widest Hindi-speaking mass market, Bollywood is usually the first reference point. If the goal is strong Tamil language mass and class appeal with a robust industry base, Kollywood is the benchmark. If the goal is to show how a smaller regional industry can produce nationally dominant films, Sandalwood is the clearest example. KGF played a turning point role in Sandalwood's national rise by proving that a Kannada film could open like a big pan-India event and succeed far beyond Karnataka. It changed how audiences, distributors, and producers outside Karnataka viewed Kannada cinema. Why it mattered? It gave Sandalwood a pan-India template, large-scale action, strong visuals, and multilingual release strategy. It pushed Kannada films into the nationwide conversation, especially through the success of KGF, Chapter 1 and KGF, Chapter 2. It encouraged overseas distributors and exhibitors to take Kannada cinema more seriously. Industry impact. Before KGF, Sandalwood was often seen as a smaller regional industry with limited national reach. After KGF, the industry gained confidence to market films beyond the Kannada-speaking audience and to think in terms of wider commercial scale. KGF also helped elevate Yash and director Prashant Neel into major national names, which further boosted attention on Sandalwood as a whole. Bigger picture. The real significance of KGF was not just box office success. It changed expectations about what Kannada cinema could do, and it opened the door for later films like Kantara to get a much bigger audience. Thank you for watching Abba Film News.